Hello dear students, welcome back to the world of Vedic mathematics. You have already seen in previous two videos that indeed learning is a fun with Vedic mathematics, and within a few seconds I'll be revising that we have done this method when we want to multiply any digit, 3 digit, 4 digit or 5 digit numbers with the method of using complements when the number was when we are taking near the base like 10, 100, 1000 and so on. And in this case we were using complements, but now our lesson for today is when the numbers are above the base. Now what is the meaning of above the base? Above the base means like I am here multiplying 12 with 14. Now what is the base here? This base is 10, right? Now 12 is 2 more than the base 10. 14 is 4 more than the base 10. In this case, we are not taking the complements. This sutra says when we are doing this multiplication above the base. Rule is same. We will be multiplying these two numbers. 2 with 4, we will get 8. And diagonal numbers will be added here, not subtracted. Either you add 12 and 4 or you add 14 and 2. So we will get 168. 168 is our answer here. Again I am showing you slowly and slowly. We are to multiply 12 with 2, right? Sorry, we are to multiply 12 with 14. 2 is above its base. 14 is 4 above the base. Multiply these two numbers and add diagonal numbers 12 and 4 or 14 and 2. In either case you will get 168. Now again and again I am reminding every sutra is different and these are not each sutra is not applicable to each number. This is using multiplication above the base. So we are not taking complements. We are to take when we are to do the multiplication above the base. Let's take another example. I make these numbers now. Let 122 and 140. See, right? 122 and 140. Now here the base will be 100. Clear? For referring the base again you can refer the previous videos. Here 122 is 22 more than 100. 140 is 40 more than its base 100. And our rule is multiply 22 with 40. You will get, yes, 22 multiplied by 4 you will get 8, 8 and 0. This will be again our number 880. But this is not the case here because our base is having how many zeros? There are 2 zeros in the base 100. So we will be taking just 2 digit. And what we will do? Just see 22 multiplied by 4. It becomes 880. But I will be writing 8 here as prefix, and this 8 will be added to the number we will be getting. Now again listen, the base was 100. There are 2 zeros in the base 100. So I am taking just 2 digits here, 80 not 880. And the next step is 140 plus 22. You will be writing 2, 6 and 1. 2, 6 and 1. So what I am having? I am having here 162, 80 and 8. And this 8 will be added in 162. So we will be getting 170 17080. This is our answer. Clear? Now let me show you again, writing neat and clean. Just see 122 plus 22, because it is above the base, 22 above the base 100, 140 is 40 above the base 100. Next steps are same. Multiply 22 with 40, you will be getting 880, but we are to take 2 digit only because our base has 2 zeros in 100. And next step is same. Add 122 plus 40 or 140 plus 22, you will be getting 162/80, and this 8 will be added to 162. So our result will be 1708. Now let's take another example. Suppose you are to multiply 198 with 101. 198 with 101. Both the numbers are above their bases. 198 is 90 above the base 100. 101 is 1 above the base 100. And what was the formula? Multiply 98 with 1. You will be getting 98. Right? And add the diagonal numbers, either 198 with 01, 198 with 01 or 101 with 98. You will be getting same number 199. So our answer is 19998. Right? So within again few seconds you are easily multiplying the numbers when you are having the numbers above the base that is given to you. Let's take another example so that you may not get confused. Here you are to multiply 1003 with 1009. Now here the base is obviously 1000 and 1003 is 3 more than 1000. 1009 is 9 more than 1000. But see, I am not writing here 3 only or 9 only. What I am doing, I am writing 003. Why? And 009. As told in previous videos also, we need same number of digits as we have zeros in our base. So here our base, this is 1000. There are 3 zeros in the 1000. So I will be writing 3 as 003, not only 3. And similarly, I am writing 009 and not 9. Next step, you already know, you are having a lot of practice, I think. So here, let's do the multiplication. Multiply 3 by 9, you will be getting 27. And I need 3 number of zeros, so I am writing 027. Again add 1003 with the 9, this diagonal number, or you add 1009 with 3. In the both cases you will be getting 1112. 1009 multiplied by, this will be 1012,027. Clear? Now should I repeat again? Multiply 3 by 9, you will be getting 27. I need 3 zeros because in my base there are 3 zeros, so I will be writing 027. Adding 1003 to 9, you will be getting 1012. So our answer within few seconds, it is 1012027. Here I am giving you some sums so that you may not get confused by when you take the questions yourself. 135 with 102, 113 with 105, 116 with 104, 118 and 102. Just see that all these numbers are above the base. 102 is above the base 100, 105 is above the base 100, 104 is above the base 100 and 102 is above the base 100. So all these sums Check your answers with the calculator, and with a lot of practice you will be expert in solving these sums within just a few seconds. So I'll be there in the next video with the new sutra. Till then, you keep on enjoying this world of mathematics. Thanks for watching, and do keep practice and lot of practice. Thank you and have a nice day.